Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Telangana Academy for Skill and Knowledge is conducting wonderful program which is Data Engineer Training Program by this task for the recently graduated students. I will be giving you the complete description about this training program in detail. Before that, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update from our channel. And also join our WhatsApp community and Telegram channel for more interesting updates regarding jobs and internship opportunities. So let's get into this video. First, the benefits of this program. So the duration of this program will be nearly 3 months, and this is completely a free training program on the role of data engineering. And you will be having the hands-on experience, and all the participants will undergo the training with the skills like Python, SQL, Power BI, soft skills, and advanced data engineering tools. So all these topics or all these skills are the very trending in market. And next, this course is supported by the capstone projects and then career counseling to ensure the industry readiness and the job placement assistance. So these are the benefits of this program, and it will be for the 3 months and completely free. Next, coming to the program highlights. So the 360 hours of hands-on training and 120 hours of classroom instruction and 1:1 career counseling and the capstone projects for practical learning, and then faculty with the over 25 plus years of experience, and then also the placement assistance is also available. So these are the program highlights, and we will also see the eligibility criteria and what are the topics are covered in this. So coming to the core topics covered in this data engineering program are programming and data analysis. So in this, like advanced Python like pandas, numpy, and matplot, or these libraries will be you will be getting trained on these topics. And data engineering tools like PySpark and NoSQL databases like MongoDB and Hadoop ecosystems, which is HDFS. These are the data engineering tools, and also you'll be trained on the data visualization, which is Power BI. So this is one of the trending skill in the market. And then cloud technologies like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure, and then Apache Kafka, and also some other soft skill developments like communication and then professional growth skills along with the career guidance. So all these topics are covered in this 3 months of duration of a data engineering training program. So coming to the program benefits, what are the benefits are there for this program? So first is a capstone project. So here you have to apply all your knowledge to the real world data engineering challenges, and also the industry readiness like comprehensive training in high demand technologies and tools, and career guidance like one-to-one counseling to help participants and to shape their career paths, and also placement assistance. So they will also provide the support to the participants to connect with the potential employers. All these are the program benefits, and this is completely free. You should not miss this chance. And coming to the evaluation process. So first, all the participants whoever are registered, they will be having the written test like an entrance exam at the task head office Hyderabad. So task head office is present in the Hyderabad. So there you have to give the written test which is like entrance exam. And the whoever are shortlisted, so those shortlisted candidates will undergo the training for 90 days. So 90 days are nothing but 3 months of duration. And the shortlisted candidates have to maintain an overall attendance of the rate 80%. So throughout these 90 days of program, the candidates have to maintain the above 85% attendance. And coming to the training location, so the location of this training is near Sri Satya Sai Seva organization near the Khairatabad metro station, Hyderabad. And then next, the eligibility criteria. So if you see the eligibility criteria, it is open to all the graduates from the year 2021 to 2024. So whoever are passed out in the year 2021, 2022, 2023 and 2024, so all these candidates are eligible. So just everything will be based on the like your like performance in the written test. So qualifications, if you see, like BTech, MTech, you can be from BTech, MTech or MCA, BSc or MSc. And so admission is based on an entrance test. So whatever the like entrance exam is there, which will be conducted at the task of head office Hyderabad. So based on your performance, you will be getting admission into this 3 months of program, data engineer program. So this link I will provide in the description, and the last day to register is the first March, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting updates. So if you have any queries, let me know in the let me know in the comments, or else you can DM me on Insta. I'll be clarifying your doubts. And also share this video with your friends or among your college groups or juniors and seniors. And so this is a very good opportunity, because like from 2021 to 2020, for you, if you're already graduated and have no job, then also you can take this, because you'll be having the hands-on experience. And the 3 years of and 3 years like 3 months of duration is there, and you can learn a lot things like Python, Power BI and more training skills in the market. So don't miss this opportunity. Share with your friends and subscribe for more interesting updates and join our communities. Thank you.